Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we learn how to cook tender coconut chicken. Let's start the recipe. Firstly, I'm taking 300 grams of boneless chicken. You can take even bone also. And add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder and half lemon juice. Mix them well. Now add half cup of curd, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of dhanya powder, half tablespoon garam masala and 4 green chilies and 1 cup of onions and some coriander. Now mix it well. Now rest in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, I've taken a tender coconut and I'm making a hole. Now transfer the water into a bowl. Now after 2 hours, take the chicken and add some oil. Mix it once again. Now drop these chicken pieces into the tender coconut. Adjust the chicken and drop it. Fill the coconut completely. Now I'm using silver foil to cover the coconut. It helps for not to leak the water. Now I have taken atta. Flatten this dough and cover on the surface. Like the same way, cover whole coconut. Make sure there is no gap. If there is a gap, the water leaks. Now the sealing is done. You can see everywhere the sealing is done. Now on the stove and place the coconut on the top. On high flame, let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, rotate it. After every 20 minutes, keep rotating it every side. By that the chicken completely cooks. It takes 1 hour to 1 hour 20 minutes to cook completely. After that, keep it aside for 30 minutes and then open it. You can see the chicken inside. Now let's transfer into a plate. You can see the chicken completely cooked. Here's our tender coconut chicken is ready. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.